Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is Web3 Bro. Okay, so what we have right here is more like a warning video to show you what is going on in Trust Wallet. Okay, so and I am in my Trust Wallet, and there has been a scam going on Trust Wallet that you need to be aware of. You need to be very, very careful because if you are not careful, you're gonna get scammed. This season that bull run is on its way, and secondly, people are hungry to steal from people. So there's a scam going on right now. If you look at my wallet right here, you will discover the first the first coin called S. Trust Wallet does not allow people to record things here, so that is why the buttons are not showing for me to use. But I want you to see the first one before WKC. You will see the first one that is called S, and then you see it has done over 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It has done over 35.7 trillion percent, which is not possible. It's not possible. There was another one that appeared on my wallet, and I removed it so that I won't click on it. When you see a coin like this, don't think that is real. I'm giving one here. It's more like an airdrop. I'm giving one here. Sometimes it will rise to $25, rise to $40. Sometimes it will reduce to $6 like that. It will just go up and down. And then you will come into your wallet and discover that you have some money in here. You think it is your money. When you click on it and try to swap it, you will discover that your real money disappears from your wallet. So whenever you see a thing like this, don't click on it. All you have to do is to do like this and disable it. Let me show you something right now before I disable it. If you click on where you see main wallet 2, I will go to a wallet that doesn't have money in. I'm clicking on wallet 6 now. Wallet 6 does not have money in. Have you seen any of that coin here? No. You will only see it in a wallet that has money inside. If I go back to wallet 2, there is money here. You see it has increased. What I just told you now, it has increased to 50.6 trillion. This is manipulative work happening there. So someone who is naive will now click on it and exchange them or try to get the money you did not include here, and you become scammed. The money you have in your wallet will be compromised and everything will be wiped off. Understand what I'm saying? So whenever you see anything like this, swipe like this and click on disable. My money has become normal because the scam token has been taken off. Don't be surprised that you still come back tomorrow and see another one. You can delete one today, another one will appear tomorrow. All you have to do is to keep removing them so that you will not be tempted to click and attempt to swap. You get what I'm saying this video? Yes, so that is just what I want to tell you, to be careful. And there is a video flying on internet right now, people saying you can add a code to Telegram M2 Trust Wallet and get some money. That money you are seeing there is not real. And they will tell you, you try to swap, you cannot swap this money. Enter my Telegram, I will show you how to do it. Don't follow them. That thing is not real. Nobody's giving you any free cash anywhere. Money didn't work for, nobody's giving that to you. Don't follow those guys to do what they're doing. Don't follow them. You're gonna get scammed. You will lose your money. Understand what I'm saying? Focus on building good business online. Focus on taking good opportunities, not all those crap you're seeing there. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share to others to learn. Don't fall victim. This season is very, very sensitive. Everybody wants to accumulate some tokens for the bull run and all of that. So you will see a whole lot of things going on to scam you. So please stay away from it. Stay safe. Secure your wallet. Don't click on anything randomly, and then you will stay safe through the season. So thank you for watching. Ruben with 3 Bro once again, and please like, share, subscribe, comment, and like this video. Please share. Thanks so much for watching.